Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a Tinkerbell themed cake. Let's get started.
First of all, I'm using this photo of Tinkerbell to make a 2D image for the cake. This is the same method I used in the tutorial linked in the card. I rolled out some pink fondant and cut out a circle. I placed it on a piece of wood to give it a bit more stability. Then I cut out around the image with flesh-colored fondant. Then I traced around the lines in the image to press the picture into the fondant. I deepened the lines. I cut out the parts of the image that were flesh-colored. Then I rolled out some yellow fondant and cut out the hair. Then I rolled out some green fondant and cut out the dress and the shoes. At this point, I used edible glue and glued the fondant pieces to the background. Then I rolled out some white fondant and cut out the wings and the pom-poms on the shoes. I felt like the background was too large, so I trimmed it a bit. Then I placed a couple of stars onto the background and a couple of small butterflies. Then I painted the image with food coloring mixed with alcohol. I painted the wings a bit of blue, the eyes, and the butterflies. Then with light brown I added some shading on the skin and hair. Then with darker brown I shaded the mouth and used pure black on the eyes. Now we're at cake. I'm frosting a 6-inch cake dummy with vegan American buttercream colored green. I placed my image of Tinkerbell on top. Then I made a whole bunch of decorations. I'm using this rose press mold to make some tiny roses out of pink fondant. Then I made some leaves with a plunger cutter, actually made by my 7-year-old. And a press mold out of green fondant. Then I made a bunch of different sized daisies with yellow fondant. I tried to only use colors already in the image I made. Then I placed the decorations all around the cake. The yellow daisies, the green leaves, and the pink roses just wherever I thought they looked good. I love this cake. Tinkerbell, the fairy of the forest. This really captures it. It's just a lovely, green, joyful cake. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and now TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.